Really, it started when I was in 7th grade. I got connected to this Christian camp in North Carolina, but it really kind of came to a head when Helene came through in October. I see this video on Facebook. In the video, Chris says, "Hey, if you have any kind of construction skills or anything like that, please, we need your help." So I reached out, almost instantly got a response back, and they said, "Yeah, but we have no idea what we're doing with this claim." So I said, "Well, I do this literally every day." We ended up going to each building, taking bunches of pictures, and saw firsthand all the work that needed to be done. Finally, he said, "We're ready to move forward with you guys. Can you meet us at our Greenville office?" And I said, "Absolutely, I can." After, I think it was 3 hours and 15 minutes, we had a signed contract, and we were excited to be able to work with the Wilds on this project. We are a kingdom business, so whenever we get to give back to a Christian camp that's spreading the gospel, that's exactly where my heart is.